In this lecture, I want to show you how to create and print a blank calendar. Let's make sure we're in the Calendar app, Home tab, then we're going to come over to Manage Calendars. Click Open Calendar, and then we're going to choose Create New Blank Calendar. We'll give it a name. We'll just call it Blank Calendar. We'll put it in the Calendar Items folder and say OK. Now if we want to see this calendar, we'll click the box for it and it adds it to our calendar list here. We want to print our calendar. We're going to go to Backstage, so we'll click File. We'll come down to Print. We'll choose the style we want. We just want to do a monthly one for this. We'll come into Options. And here we're going to go to the Print This Calendar and switch it to the blank calendar. Let's do a preview. And now you see we've got our blank calendar. Let's go back in and we'll tell it we want those 2 months. So now we've got our 2 months worth of a blank calendar that we can print out. And now that you've set up your blank calendar, let's go back to our calendars. It's always going to be available, but we can turn it off if we don't want to see it by just unchecking the box over here for calendar. So it's a nice feature to have if you need to print out a blank calendar for any period of time. Just come over and you've got your blank calendar.